going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be working on this 2017 F250 right here. It had some damage from the fender flares beating up on the fenders and the bed sides. So I'm gonna show you guys a process of us making it nice again. And here we go. Unfortunately, what ended up happening is that the fender flares left gouges in the paint. So we had to take the whole thing apart, take headlights off or tail lights off. Take off, your emblems, take off everything. Basically, what we're gonna be painting. We'll be repainting this. Before we repaint it, we're gonna be doing sanding all down, taking the decals off, doing all that stuff, and repainting the bed sides and the fenders to get rid of the scratches because the scratches are really bad. So this is gonna be the project for this whole week. I do have the other project going on with the Lariat F250, I think it's 2015. But that one's going to be a couple videos, so this one's going to be what's going on for now. I'll be uploading the other video another day. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on, guys. We're going to get it pulled in and then start sanding on it, getting it all done. Probably do a time lapse on that, and do probably most of it off camera. Probably do a time lapse on it. So yeah, guys, we're good. Guys, so we got them all cleaned up, got the decals taken off, started sanding on the areas that where the gouges were. Got this side and that fender completely done. Just wanted to clean it off because I think it did have wax on it, so we got that cleaned off. This one's the whole thing sanded. But yeah, guys, I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. So basically right now we're just wiping them down, getting everything wiped down, making sure there's no wax, no dirt, no nothing, so that way we can go ahead and start sanding the rest of the way. As you see, get all this dirt off of here, get all that off of here. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and sand it with 800, the whole bed side. That fender's done over there. We're gonna get on that. We're gonna start doing that side over there later on. But we're gonna sand this with 800 right here. And we're going from here. Alright, guys, so we got it all taped up and we got everything prepped and ready to get primered on each side of the this fender, that bed side, the other bed side. We're all gonna get sprayed with primer on the spots that have the gouges in them. We're gonna be doing that. And we just wanted to do a time lapse on it. Alright, guys, so we got it all primered up and we got it all done here. I'm gonna tape it, and then after I untape it, I'm gonna go take it out there, take it outside, let it dry in the sun. So after that, then we'll be ended up sanding it down. Alright, guys, so I got the whole truck untaped. Whole thing is untaped now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and we're gonna let it dry. After that, after we let it sit, we're gonna end up sanding down the primer, sanding everything down, getting everything ready for paint, and then we're gonna end up taping it up. So here we go. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and find the paint code. We got everything, it's already dried. So now we're gonna find the paint code, and where you're gonna be able to find the paint code is right here on the door jambs. Should have something that says your paint code. Not gonna show too much. It says PQ on there. It says PQ. So usually most of the time it'll be right here. On Fords it'll be here. GM, Chevy, they'll be in the glove box, or they'll be under the hood. Most of the time they're not right here, but that's what's going on here. So I'm gonna go look at that paint code, and we'll go look that up. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and look for the paint code. See right here, we're gonna put in our computer, we're gonna put in PQ. So what comes up is you're gonna want to look at the American one, not the Europe or anything. Forward and see what it says. It says F series, so you're correct, red. So you're gonna have some variants. The specials are not, don't even worry about the specials. Most of the time you're not gonna have to worry about them. It's gonna be either one of the variants or the prime. So you go over here, and I already have the card pulled out, but typically you would go over here. You'd go to your code right there, color box, in the color box, SZ1 656, and you go down here and find the one where it would be. It would be right there. That's where it would be. I got it right here, and I already looked the color up, so I know that it is darker. So you would go to darker, and you would click on darker, go to there, go to here, click on the panel, just showing that what you're gonna do. 14 ounces, it doesn't matter how many ounces you make. Depends on how much you're doing. Then you go ahead and do that, mix it, and you're good. We got the paint mix. We're ready to go. Just gonna shake it up. When we get it shook up, gonna go over there and start getting ready to tape it up to get it painted. So here we go. All right, guys. So we got it all taped up. We got it all sprayed down. We got everything done to it and sprayed down, wiped down. So we're ready to go in and go ahead and paint it. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and get a sticky rag, or it's got some kind of adhesive on it. And I'm gonna go around it, get all the dirt off of it, any little dirt spots that are on it, get all that tacked off of there. After that, we're gonna be pretty much ready to go ahead and spray it. I would go in there right now, but it's pretty loud in there. So after I'm done doing all that, I'll take you guys in there, show you guys what's going on. And we're gonna end up spraying it and clearing it. I'll show you guys all that stuff too. So yeah, guys, here we go. We're about to be done in a little bit here. So yeah, we're getting pretty close.
All right, guys. So it's all painted. Got paint on it, cleared it, everything. Now we're on taping it, and after we're done on taping it, we're gonna take it over to the stall over there, and we're gonna start putting it together. All right, guys, so we got it all put together. We got the headlights on, we got the grill on, we got the cover that goes on top of the grill, we got the emblems on, and now we're gonna start buffing it. All right, guys, so it's completely done. We got the decals on, we got the headlights on, grill on, we got the back tail lights on, we got the moldings, all that stuff. We got everything on. The paint looks really good. Everything looks really good. Definitely looks, in my opinion, a lot better with the fender flares off than on. So we're gonna go ahead and just wash it right now. The thing's completely done now, so we're just gonna go ahead and wash it. Maybe wax on the new spots that we just painted. But yeah, guys, it definitely came out really good, and it was about like 3 days in a process. Wasn't that hard. Really easy stuff right here. It's an easy project that we did. Wasn't that hard. Didn't take that too long. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that like button. I've been trying to get more videos going on. Thank you guys for all the support. I've been having a lot going on with these videos, and I think personally that I like it a lot, and I'm getting used to it now, so I'm gonna start doing more of them. This one was just a quick and easy one that I could just go ahead and do, and it was fun to me. I thought it was gonna be real easy. So yes, I mean I'm really liking this. So thanks guys for all the support and everything, and I'll see you guys next time.